Hi, I'd like to talk to you just briefly about what to do, some steps after an individual is involved in a motor vehicle accident. Often I'll get clients that will call right from the scene of the accident versus maybe a couple days later, and regardless when they may consult to get some guidance in that regard, the steps that you should undertake are pretty much always the same and can be critical for handling the matter down the road. Especially if you're the not at fault party, it's critical right after an accident to get to report to the police the accident in that regard. Especially although police reports are not admissible in the state of Florida, it's important that for purposes of the claim to present to insurance companies to document the police coming, and they can get insurance information and get witness statements that can help with the factual information down the road in that regard. Additionally, if someone has some injuries that they are taken via ambulance, they may not be there to get the exchange of information at the time of the at-fault party. So that's one step you definitely want to do. Additionally, you want to notify your own insurance company. Most first-party car insurance policies require a duty to notify and a cooperation provision, so that's important to put your own carrier on notice. Coming off that though, your own insurance company will definitely most likely want a statement of what happened at the time. The next thing you want to do, or maybe even before notifying your carrier, is contact an attorney in that regard. If you have to give a recorded statement, an attorney at least can give you guidance of some of the questions that may be asked from the insurance adjuster, where answering those could affect you adversely down the road in that regard. The next step, maybe even before this, is you want to take photographs of the property damage involved or of any of the injuries involved in the accident. If I would ever have to present a case for you to a jury, jurors like to see visual evidence of the type property damage involved. And then lastly, you want to seek medical attention. I always caution clients to be overcautious in seeking medical attention after an accident because a lot of times injuries, especially neck and back, will manifest themselves maybe a day or two later, and it's always better to be safe than sorry, at least in that regard. Additionally, it can affect your PIP insurance with a time frame in which you need to seek medical treatment being up to 14 days, so that's very important. If you're ever involved in a motor vehicle accident, give me a call and I'd love to help you out.